Drowning in communication chaos? Let's build a life raft with Messagebird's Flow Builder and automate those conversations. First, log into your Messagebird account and navigate to the Flow Builder. Click Create New Flow to start a fresh project. It's the big blue button you can't miss. You'll begin with a start node. Think of this as the trigger for your flow. Click on it and choose how you want your flow to be activated, for example, an incoming SMS or WhatsApp message. Now, let's add some actions. Click the Add a Step button to branch out your flow. You'll see a variety of components. Drag and drop a node for Let's Send Message node. In the Properties panel that pops up, customize the step for the Send Message node. Write the message you want to send. You can even personalize messages using variables by adding a name in the message field. Keep adding and connecting nodes to create interactive conversation paths. For example, you could have a check keyword node which checks for a specific word and responds accordingly. Supercharge your flows with integrations. From the Integrations section, effortlessly connect to tools like Google Sheets to update spreadsheets, respond, or you can even connect to a CRM that you use. That's it. Click Save and then activate or toggle the switch to go live. Now let Messagebird's Flow Builder handle engaging and responsive conversations and communications more efficiently.